Hi everyone. Every business has a unique process to qualify new deals in their pipelines. As business scales, the amount of new deals can become overwhelming for sales reps. Therefore, manual qualification can lead to an increasing number of lost deals. Today, I'll show you how to build a fully automated process to score each lead and how to use it in prioritization of your outreach efforts. First of all, we need to create a property on deal level with special score type. I prepared a lead score property for demonstration in order to save some time. Below, you can see two sections of filters which are used to build the score calculation: positive, for adding points when a record meets the following criteria, and negative, for removing points. Creating filtering logic for score calculation, please consider the following rules. Each set of criteria can contain multiple filters. Points are added or deducted when a record meets all of the criteria in a set. You have a maximum of 100 filters in all sets. You can use different objects' properties for filtering. In this case, you can see a set of 9 filters based on deal properties to add 1 point, and a group of 4 filters to deduct 3 points when all of them meet the criteria. When you finish with settings, click Save. As we finish setting up a lead score property with customized filters, let's create a simple way to fill in all the properties used in the score calculation. For that purpose, we can use the Sales Hub feature called Playbooks. A playbook is a set of questions, instructions, or interactive content that teammates can use to do their job. I prepared a sample playbook that looks like a questionnaire. Let's check this out. We go to Sales, Playbooks, and click on New Request Qualification Playbook. Here is the list of questions: 4 for general information about the deal, 9 for lead score, and 1 technical for deal stage movement. Then go to Settings and select the engagement type how this questionnaire will be logged. The options are call, meeting, email, and note. For example, let's choose note. Then you can set up the recommendation rule. This means that when the record matches this rule, the playbook will display on the right sidebar with recommended tag. Let's select deal object. Add the filters. As we want this playbook to be shown when a new deal is created, we need a filter. Deal stage is any of new request. This is the initial stage in our pipeline. Click Save Rule. Don't forget to publish the playbook, otherwise it won't be available for using. Now let's see how this whole process works. Go to Deals. Create a new sample deal. You can see that our new record is blank. All properties used in lead score are empty. You can see no value in lead score field. This lead should be qualified, so let's do the following. On the right sidebar, in Playbook section, you can see our new request qualification checklist. Click on it. The playbook opens in a new pop-up window. You can move in wherever you want or make it wider. Let's imagine that we are a sales rep. We are calling the new lead and being on a call, fill in the questionnaire. I've answered all the questions above and we're almost ready to log the playbook. The last question is a technical one. It asks whether the lead is qualified or not. The yes answer will move this deal to the next stage. The no answer will drop this deal to close lost stage. I'll show the backstage of this movement a bit later. For now, let's return to the playbook. For your information, you can click on the checkbox to create a follow-up task with a specific due date if you want. Let's skip it. Answer yes to the last question and log the playbook. Now you can see that all properties on the left sidebar are filled in. Deal stage has been changed. The playbook log has appeared in the activities section, and the lead score property is equal to 9, as I answered the questions to meet all criteria from the positive section. If we change one or more properties so that they no longer meet the criteria from the positive section, points will be deducted from the total lead score and vice versa. Let's create another sample deal. And qualify it via the playbook. In this case, let's meet the criteria from the negative section of lead score. For that purpose, we'll answer yes to the first 5 questions. For car insurance and service maintenance, select no. Purchase type is financing, and amount should be less than $50,000. For example, $35,000. Answer no to the last question and log the playbook. In this way, the total score should be equal to 2. 5 points for yes answers, and 3 deducted points for the set of answers to the last 4 questions. I remind that the set was specified in lead score filtering in the negative section. Also, this deal is moved to close lost stage based on the no answer to the lead qualified question. Here is the workflow responsible for the deal stage movement that I promised to show it earlier. In addition, you can apply colored tags to the pipeline board to get a clear view with only one look on the board. I've prepared these tags in advance based on the following values of lead score property. 1 to 3 is low score, 4 to 6 is mid score, 7 to 9 is high score. To learn more about deal tags, watch another video where we demonstrate how to set up colored deal tags. Now when you know how to set up lead score property and create a questionnaire via Playbooks feature, you can streamline your qualification process so that your sales reps can easily go through it with new potential customers. Please consider the following things. Custom score properties are available on any hub with professional or enterprise subscription levels. Playbooks are available on sales and service professional or enterprise subscription levels. Updating properties via Playbooks on enterprise subscription level only. I hope this video was helpful. Drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe as more videos are coming. Thanks for watching.